Ka anyị kwuo maka mkpụrụ ABIDI Igbo. Igbo alphabet. Igbo alphabet, unlike the English alphabet, some are double. Some are double. Mkpụrụ ABIDI ndị gbara mkpị. ABIDI ndị gbara mkpị. Some of the Igbo alphabets are two, unlike the English alphabet. And today we're going to learn them. All right. No, you are welcome. Mkpụrụ ABIDI Igbo nwere ndị gbara mkpị. Igbo alphabet, some of them are double. Yes, some of them are double. I'm going to teach you how. Okay, they are 8 in numbers, unlike the English alphabet, and we're going to talk about them today. They are 8 in numbers. The Igbo alphabets that are double, they are 8 in numbers. No, Yonyoma Njemono, you are welcome. What are these Igbo alphabet that are double in number? They are 8 in number that are double. The Igbo alphabet. Mkpụrụ ABIDI ndị gbara mkpị. Mkpụrụ ABIDI ndị gbara mkpị. Igbo alphabets that are double. Yes, I'm going to teach you all of that here. Okay? Learn Igbo language with ABIDI, and you will not regret it. All right. The first one is Chi. Chi, that is CH. Chi instead of C in English. Chi, CH. That is Achicha. If you want to make a sentence with that, Achicha. Achicha in English means bread or biscuit. Achicha. Okay? All right. The second one is We, that is GB in English. We, GB in English. Ewa. Ewa, that's drum. Ewa, that is drum. We, ewa. All right, I hope you're catching it. The next alphabets that are double in Igbo, mkpụrụ ABIDI ndị gbara mkpị. That's double, means mkpị. Okay, mkpụrụ ABIDI ndị gbara mkpị. Nke atọ bụ Ghe, like agha. Ghe, agha means war in English. War. Agha, Ghe, agha means war in English. Okay? So the next one I'm going to talk about here is We. We, Awa. I've taught you that before. We, Awa. We, Awa. That's beans. We, Awa. They are double, but they sound single. Okay? That's how Igbo alphabets are. I hope you're understanding what I'm saying. All right. The next is Pe. Pe. Apa. That's bag. Pe. Apa. That's bag. Okay? All right. The next is Kwe. Kwe. KW. That's aqua, cry. Kwe. Aqua, cry. The Igbo alphabet are double. They are 8 in number. They are double, but they sound single. They pronounce together. They are double, but they are pronounced together. So you have to get it. Okay? All right. The next is Nye. Nye. That's NY. Enyinya. Enyinya. That's horse. Enyinya. That's horse. I hope you're following me. This is the 7th one. Nye. Enyinya means horse in English. They are double, but they are pronounced together in Igbo. That is Igbo alphabet that are double. ABIDII, Igbo, Wara, Mpi. They are eight in number. The last one is sh, like Isha, she, Isha. That's like crayfish. She, Isha. Okay? I hope you're following what I'm saying. Unlike the English alphabet, they don't have any that is double. But in Igbo alphabet, there are some, eight of them in number that are double, but they are pronounced just like one alphabet. ABD Igbo nwere ndị gbara mkpị. They are eight in number. I believe you understand this lesson. Please use the comment section and ask me a question if you don't understand. What I promise you is very, very clear. Just go over this video again and you will understand it. Thank you for watching. I hope you are learning Igbo language. Please ask me any question regarding Igbo language and I will teach you. Thank you for following me. Thank you for watching. For now, bye. Ke mesia.